Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got an unboxing to do. This is just a little special rhinestone one. I'm not fighting with my chair that's squeaking as I sit down. So I'm trying out new stores just to see firstly how long it takes, whether or not it actually arrives, and then secondly what kind of quality we're looking at. Now for a little special, they all seem to be quite generic, but you never know. So this is from the Jiang1989 store, and I paid $4 for it. It's a little owl. So you got some plastic, just bear with that. Oh, got stuck. I think I might just put it back in there afterwards. Right. So we've got a green boat, one single placer, and a couple of baggies and a wax. So pretty stock standard. Oh, it's a cutie pie. Should actually post that for, although she doesn't buy from AliExpress, it's a shame really. I'm referring to Margie. Really, she's got her own channel, but she mostly just purchases off of, it's, is it eBay? Yeah. But she is a mean, what do you call it, owl fan. She just loves her little owls. Right. Okay, so these gems are individually packed, which is quite cool. Let's open this up. Oh. Sorry. So it's saying it's a 20 by 30. Kind of looks like it could be. Oh, these are pretty. So we've got little teardrops. Little stars. And then the rest of them are just your normal rhinestones. So the only really special shapes are these two, and the rest of them are really colourful but still just rhinestone ones. They look like a fairly good quality, or at least good enough to, so you don't go, oh, I'm going to chuck out half of them just to be able to get something done. Yeah, they're quite good. Okay, how many colours do I need? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. So all the colours are here as well. So looks true to the picture. I ordered it on the 15th of May and I received it today on the 15th of, the 5th of June. So that's 3 weeks. That is a 20. By, say, 29.6, so not bad. Let's see, I'm gonna try and bring it in, but then just move it up so you guys can get a view of it. There we go. So that's this little guy from the Jiang1989 store for $4. Not bad. Something small just to break up those big canvases that I do. Okay guys, have a good night. See ya. Bye.